Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So as you probably know, of course I make Roblox content, but I know I've been kind of stressed lately, and this caught my eye. Needoh Tower. Oh, this is gonna be so freaking good. This is gonna be so satisfying. Prepare to get your volume up for today's video. Oh, yes, that's Needoh Tower. Shout out to the developer for making this Needoh Tower. So looks like they're gonna update in 6 hours. Damn. Oh frick. So they're gonna update in 6 hours, like 12 p.m. in our or 12 a.m. in our local time in our country. Oh yes. All right. Okay, let's start now. Oh my. Okay. That sounds so good. We're not even like, what, 5 minutes in? Let's just start, bro. I don't care. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Oh, okay. That's actually too crazy, bro. Oh my gosh. I think we're not ready for this, guys. We're not worthy enough. Oh, dang. I want that one. That was so cool. Oh my. Oh. Oh. It's actually making my heart so good. Oh my. Okay, we're not. Let's actually stop. It's just too good, guys. You can't stop. Oh my. Oh yeah, I'm not stopping. Just kidding. Of course I have to do. Let's try and beat this obby. Whoo! Oh wee! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh dang, that is one size satisfying obby. Oh, and even the respawn is Needoh. Damn, how about the lasers? Oh, okay, I just died. That didn't feel like Needoh. Oh, damn, that sounds so good. Oh, let me stop talking now. Just listen to that. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm yapping too much. Stop now. Just listen to that lovely ASMR. Oh, oh my. Oh, 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 dang. Ow, damn, oh, dang. Oh, that's so good. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. That's so good. ASMR, bro. Needoh. What's this? Oh, yes. I get to have my own squishy. Oh, damn. Oh, just listen to that. Oh, yeah. Let me go continue the hobby. Looks like we're doing ice cream now. Sounds like a wafer from the ice cream. I want to take my time for now. This sounds so good. Oh, yes. Ooh. Oh, okay. That does sound really good. Give me the OG. Oh, okay. Slimy goo. Oh no, we're gonna go to slimy goo again. Oh, shake. Oh, yeah, that sounds good. How about this one? Damn. Squishy, and then this Needoh sphere. Oh. 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 This is what I've been seeing all around social media. I I don't know like what game they're doing. It's like a wax tower, but this is gonna be heavenly. Oh damn. Okay, I think the tower's different. This is a Needle tower, and that was like a wax tower. Crunchy ASMR, you know what I mean? Wait, let me do it again. I'm sorry for yapping. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's so good. Oh my gosh. Just savor the moment. Oh yeah. Oh, we got cheese. Oh, I love cheese. You guys love cheese? Or you guys lactose tolerant? Oh, we got a wax one. I guess it's like they have wax too. Oh my gosh. I think we're not ready for this, chat. I think we're not ready. We're not worthy. We're not worthy enough. Okay, I'm so sorry. Oh my. Oh, that is one nice wax butter thingy. There's a other game too called like Wax Tower, I'm pretty sure. Let me just search it up in Roblox and make a video about it. But yeah, this is so satisfying. Oh, the crunchiness. Oh, the softness. Damn. Oh, damn. Damn. Oh, chic. Damn. Damn. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, nice. Oh, okay. We got OG Needoh. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, yes. Butter. Oh, this is what I love. Oh, that's crunchy. Oh, my. I'm not even gonna talk anymore. It's just so good. Satisfying. Got banana. This is kinda lame. Oh, yes. Okay, that doesn't sound nothing. Got, what's this? Pig? Ice cream? Crunchy ice cream? Oh, damn. Oh, damn. You got, do you have a cool, oh, you have to buy, oh my gosh. I didn't save the response? No, bro. That's crazy. Let me try and not die again. I'm so sorry, guys. Can't. I'll just have to skip this part. Like what? How much parts? It's fine, guys. Let me just skip this part. Skip this part. Okay, actually forgot, bro. I was like into this satisfying ASMR. Like actually. Are we back now? Oh, okay, never mind. We're still not back. We still have to go to those outside thingy. Okay, we're back at Needoh. Let's be careful this time. And also still what? Oh my gosh, guys. I might not even make this. Oh no. I think I have to respawn. I have to respawn, guys. It's impossible. I'm so sorry, but I have to speedrun this once again. So just sit back and relax and watch me suffer all the way to go over there. Back again. I don't know, maybe you could skip this part of the video and go to the other good part, good ending or something like that. I'm gonna get this one too. Hurry, I want to go back. Oh yeah, that's good. I'm having so much fun now. But yes, let's go. I think we can respawn now, right? Alright, let's continue. Oh, oh yeah. Let me get a hand this. Oh. We're back at the banana part again. Okay. I don't know why does that sound. I don't know. That doesn't have sound, but I think I'm just super lame, bro. Maybe I'm the one who's lame here, right, guys? I don't want to pay for Robux. Oh no. Are these disappearing parts? Come on, man. I want to enjoy. Oh. Oh, that sounds so good. We got some paws of a dog or something, or oh, the squishy dumpling. I see a lot of people buying so much of the squishy dumplings. Let's see what I get if I get the glitter dumpling. A lot of people are crashing out over a squishy dumpling since they want the glitter one so bad. Oh, okay, I got a blue. It's fine. Be grateful for what you have. Can't even afford one here. And if I can even afford one, I can't even buy it. Oh, damn! There's a part two. Let me see the part two. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I cough. I think we just have to finish this part and then I'll end the video. But just for now, just relax. Sit back and relax. Watch me do the ASMR. And if you want to play the game, it's called Needoh Tower, so don't forget. Oh, okay, that was the perfect butter. Oh, they all sound the same. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh, that sounds so crunchy and soft at the same time too. Get some pause, okay. OG. We got the OG things again. We got the pigs and the thingies. Got the lasers, okay. Oh, crunchy? Okay. Oh, okay. This will make. What is this? Cruise? Oh, damn. Let me hold this again. We got cheese, but this time it has lasers. Laser cheese. Oh, dang. That sounds so good. Now I have to choose the path. Oh my gosh. Please tell me I can respawn there. Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. Second try. Oh my gosh. Let me go through this again. This is so satisfying. Oh yes, let's go. Oh, glitter dumpling. Gold glitter dumpling. Or a yellow one. Jump. Then we got the banana one. I can't hear a sound. It's a green jelly. Oh, let me not forget. Oh, damn, that's good. Oh my gosh. Oh, damn. That actually sounds so good. He's watching. Oh gosh. Just trying to have some fun here. Oh, poppets. I remember trying to buy one from my dad. We didn't have money that time. I actually feel bad now. That just flashed back so many memories. That just flashed back so many memories I had to gone through. Oh yes, ice cream. Don't forget to get checkpoint. Another one. I don't know, I'm just stupid. I don't know what are those pigs, like an animal or something. Maybe I'm just blind, bro. Got another one of these glitter dumplings, colored blue. I don't know, guys. Do the squishy dumplings have like different kind of colors, like kind of glitter things, or they're just the same? Okay, that sounds wax. Oh, that sounds like a keyboard. 24/7 office worker. Hello. Thank you for chasing the steps. Oh, yay! World 3 releases in 4 hours. Yay! Oh. Oh, yes! Yay! Pop it. The wax will always be my favorite. And also this one. Because it makes me so much flashbacks. Just listen to this. Ooh. Can't forget to love the OGs too. Just love everything, yeah. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Maybe I'll make a part 2 when the World 3 releases. But yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Goodbye.